Tired of starting a project and then forgetting to track your time? Today, I'll show you how to create a new project in Clockify and simultaneously add time entries to it, making time tracking effortless from the get-go. First, navigate to the Projects tab in your Clockify workspace. It's usually located on the left-hand side of your screen. Next, click on the New Project button. This is usually a prominent button, often in green or blue, designed to easily start new projects. A pop-up window will appear asking you to name your project. Enter a descriptive and clear name that accurately reflects the project's objective. Below the project name, you'll see an option to select a client if this is for an existing client. Select them from the drop-down menu if it's a new client. You may need to add them first. Now, customize your project settings like setting a billable rate or choosing a project color to easily identify it. You can also decide if the project should be public within your workspace or kept private. Before or immediately after saving your project, locate the Start Timer button, often located near the project creation area. Clicking this starts the timer, and here's the magic: Clockify will automatically associate this time entry with the project you just created. You will see the name of the project you just created on the timer page. Add a brief description of the task you're working on, then let the timer run while you're engaged in the project, ensuring accurate time tracking. When you're done with the task, simply hit the Stop Timer button, and the time entry will be saved under your newly created project. To view all your track time, head over to the Reports tab, where you can see a detailed breakdown of your time entries, filtered by project, ensuring accurate project management.